Do you want to be able to find the latest Panda Express promo codes? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to find it. So actually, it doesn't matter if you do this on your computer or on your mobile, just so you know, but what you have to do firstly is to just go into Google, and then we're going to search like this. So search like this on Google Panda Express promo code. So search for Panda Express promo code, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, the first result right here, at least what I've seen myself, they seem to actually quite often update promo codes in here. So some of them that are not working, I think that they actually actively try to have only working promo codes on this site. I'm not 100% sure, but this right here has worked the best for me, at least in my experience. So as you can see here, there is a couple of promo codes in here for you to choose. So just click on the one that you want, that you think is the best for you. So as you can see for this one, as you can see, this one is 6% off. So you can just copy this one, and then you can click where it says redeem at Panda Express, or just go straight into their official website and then order from that store that you want to be able to get Panda Express from, obviously, and make sure that it's the correct store nearby you, obviously, so that you don't order it incorrectly somewhere else. And also, when you're going to order food, make sure that when you apply the promo code that you double check so it actually works. If it doesn't work, you can always go back into that site and try with another one. But basically, this is exactly how to find the latest promo codes for Panda Express.